Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. Today I'm here with Bryce Bennett, CEO and founder of Solo. Welcome, Bryce.
Thanks, Sergio. Appreciate it. It's fun to be down here at Curbivore. We've got everyone together. It's a lot of fun.
It's a wonderful day in LA weather-wise, and but more importantly, we want to talk to Bryce about his company a little bit and how they do benefits our driver community.
Yeah, so Solo is an app for gig workers that we try to make your life easier and we try to help you make more money. We do that by tracking all your income in one place. We do it automatically in the background, miles, expenses, taxes. I know it's tax time right now. Everyone's thinking about that. We help you do that more seamlessly, and we'll even store your documents. So really an app that tries to make your life simpler, easier, and we show you the best jobs to work and how much they're going to pay you in any given city in the United States.
I mean, I have the app. I've obviously downloaded it, and it's one of the best third-party apps as far as I'm concerned, as far as a gig worker is concerned. You put everything under one house, basically, under one roof, right?
That's right. Yeah, that's really the value, right? You don't have to go to DoorDash and then over to your Instacart app and then to your mileage tracking app and then to TurboTax. All that's in one place. Gets rid of all that back and forth. That's how we really, provide most of our value and simplify the lives of most workers.
So we have a saying at the Rideshare Guy, it's work smarter, not harder. And I cannot emphasize how important that is, because if you have 6, 7 apps and multi-apping, you don't have to worry about individually checking your app on on your earnings, on whatever not. But let's talk a little bit about that as well.
Yeah. So the nice thing about the apps, not only are we going to track your earnings, we're going to show you how you're doing relative to your peers in your city. So we'll show you the average here in LA. It's a little over $18 an hour right now across ride sharing and delivery apps. We're going to help you understand, am I ahead of that? Am I behind it? What can I do to catch up? What can I do to make more money? We show you hotspots, events, how busy it is at the LAX or the airport. And so that's where we really help you make more money and go beyond just simplifying kind of all the admin side of your life.
So last but not least, what else do you have coming up as far as additions to the app? Because I know you guys are continuously improving the app.
Yeah, so we've been around for a few years. You may have seen us out there. We've got hundreds of thousands of workers now that use the platform nationwide. But we're going to do some really cool things this year where we actually try to help from a financial perspective, making tracking expenses easier with a standalone card for you to do that in the Solo app. We're going to bring in some really interesting insights using AI actually that rather than compete with you, is made to actually help you and your professional life. So all that's going to be coming in the Solo app in the next few months. We're looking forward to sharing more, especially as we get into Q2 here.
Yeah, I saw the preview of the financial help part of the card that they're going to actually bring out, right?
Yeah.
And talk about that a little bit, about 30 seconds a minute, because I think what the gig worker needs the most is education to run their finances, because it's their own small business. But
yeah,
let's finish with that.
Yeah, no, that's right. When it comes down to it, right, people are doing these jobs, obviously it gives them flexibility, but many people also have a little bit of a liquidity crunch, right? Maybe you get paid on Friday, but you got an expense Wednesday, right? One of the ways to solve that, right, is to start building credit. And so what's really exciting about the card that we're going to release, in the next couple of months, is it's going to help you build credit, all while just paying for your normal day-to-day expenses, gas, insurance, cell phone bill. You can use the card for that. We report that back to the credit bureaus and help track against your credit goals so that you can eventually, move on to things like credit card, get a better rate on an auto loan, hopefully a mortgage someday, right? So we're really thinking about how, we kind of go from just helping you with insights to actually helping you with each swipe day to day.
Yep. So that's all about Solo. And welcome to LA, but I know you're going to leave probably tonight. And I'm thrilled, really thrilled. I've known you for a long time, and you guys are going slow and steady and growing the community, and thank you for all you do.
Hey, no, thank you to you guys as well. I know you guys obviously are in many ways the voice for many of the workers that we talk to, and they appreciate that. Really appreciate the partnership. It's fun to be down here at Curbivore. We've got lots more to do today. So.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.